can see some JavaScript interview questions, right? So interviewer will start with some simple questions. Okay, what is constant? So interviewer start from like this, what is constant? So for this question we can say constant, it's some we can define a variable as a constant with a constant keyword. So we can't reassign or redefine the value of the variable. That is the purpose for constant, and also we must initialize the value or else it will throw the error for constant. For say constant person Raj, like this you can say we can't reassign, and also we need to initialize the value at the time of the definition, right? So this is the first point. Then interviewer will keep on ask about the object. So we have an object, so there is some property. So how to prevent a user to reassign or redefine that particular property? For say constant person id 001, right? Dot id 002. So interviewer will ask like this. So we have a constant, so is it possible to assign the property of an object? So it is possible. So the constant variable is an object, we can't reassign with another object. For say id 002, but this is not possible, but this is possible because we can modify or update the property of an object, but we can't reassign. So constant, see, when we say about the constant, what is constant? We can't reassign or reassign the value. So that is the exact definition for constant. Here we are updating the particular property, so this is possible. So you can explain like this. So this is the second point. Third point, how to prevent to reassign the property of an object. So particular property, for say id, we need to prevent the user to update the particular property of an object. How to achieve that? All right, so we can see like that one. So for that we need to use object at there is a method define property, right? By using object.define property we can do some configuration. By doing those configurations we can prevent the user to redefine or reassign the property within an object, constant object or any object. Here we need to give that object person, property is id. So here there is some description, writable, should not writable, right? So this is a false, and also configurable, should not configure again. So configuration also false. So now if we redefine the value here, id is equal to 002, let's console log the person here. So running using node here, node immutable object property, see still 001. So here we are redefining or reassigning the property of an object. Since we have some defined property configuration here with the writable false and configurable false, so this won't take account. So still the value is 001. If we command out this one, see the value is updated. So it is possible to update the property of an object, right? Even though it's a constant, but we can prevent that by using the object.define method. The object.define method will take three parameters. One is object itself, the property, the second one, third one is the description. There we need to give writable and configurable as false. So configurable also, it's optional only, we can see that quickly. See still 001. Configurable, what it will do again, we should not override the properties, the description we can't override, right? That's why we are using the configurable false. So thank you guys. So this is a very simple question and a simple definition and a simple answer we can crack the interview. But sometimes if we don't aware of this simple thing, we need to say sorry, I don't know like this. So better we can know these simple things, right? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the content if you really like it. Okay, thank you for watching.